Going ham.
You get knocked out of your stuff?
Whoa! No, I don't want to shine a light on it.
Yeah, it's with her.
Hey, you don't. Oh,
Whoa.
the lights just went out over there. You don't know if it's a girl. It smells good though. It smells nice. Whoa. Woo, that was weird. Whoa. I didn't even see you there. I didn't even know you came back out here. Turned my head into the shadow. Oh my, yeah.
Looks like we're getting our pool faster than we thought.
I know, it's gonna fill up.
I couldn't power my room twice, so we couldn't play anymore.
I turned my light out just so it wouldn't, nothing weird would happen.
Yeah, my room, I was on the PlayStation, knocked it out once, and right when I turned it back on, it went boom. Oh, I guess that's something. The city has been, the Wi-Fi completely shut down. It's gonna need some time to rebound.
I guess this is a sign for me to go to sleep. The spider went back.
Thor's having a fight right now.
The internet's really out.
Yeah.
I tried connecting back to it on my phone. It said, sorry, but the entire power grid is wiped out. So once like 50 minutes passes, we'll try and get back on it. But from the way it's working, they might not get back on.
All the way over there. You missed a couple good ones.
I don't like lightning. I'm actually scared.
Really, really heavy.
Make me like that. Perfect timing. You just summoned a bullet. Thanks for sending a thunderbolt in front of me.
I wonder what it's hitting.
Literally, it was no rain all day, and then all of a sudden a thunderstorm comes.
That's what I was telling Dad. It was perfect all day, and then out of nowhere, just this.
God's showing us his hand.
Whoa.
See that?
I did.
Oh, that trench they dug out is full of water now. I like the thunder, but the lightning is so blinding.
Put this on YouTube, alright?
I am. Ride the lightning. Taste my lightning.
Drive by lightning.
He's obsessed with the spider. Don't be shy.
I'm sorry, I'm
Oh my. Oh, whoa.
Oh, if you pass away. There's another one over here, Dad. Come over here. There's another spider.
Oh, you asked the spider how he is.
Right there. You see it?
Oh no, there can only be one. Kill it. I was just about to say that. Get out of my head. There's Charles and Charlotte.
Oh yeah, there's one right there. There's a whole family showing there.
All the little ones that were like, goodbye, goodbye. Weren't there like 3 of them that stayed behind and then they left?
Yeah, now we got Charles, Charlotte, and Charlie. Yeah, it's just everybody.
Whoa.
Okay.
I think there's a spider on my head. Well, I'm kind of over it. I'm ready to go back to drawing. Eh.